back to another review. So today we're doing a moisturizer review, and it's a Cetaphil, yeah, I have the sample size, Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel with Hydrosensitive Complex HA, which is hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamic acid. So my little sample size here is 0.36 ounces, full size is 1.7 ounces, and that full size is like $21.50. Let that sink in. Yeah, I'm just like, that's not a lot of product for that much money, holy shit. So, clinically proven to instantly boost the skin's water content and maintain hydration for 72 hours. Oil-free, won't clog pores, fragrance-free. Use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smooth over face and neck. Which, like, literally, it's moisturizer, but, like, usually they're like, apply a so-and-so size drop. So I don't know how much to use. I'm just gonna start out with like a little blobby and see how we do. It is very much a gel, it's not a cream. Okay. We'll see if it truly doesn't clog my pores, but because this to me feels pretty greasy. It kind of feels like Vaseline, not gonna lie. So I'm like, I don't know that I trust them, but it does seem to be sinking in crazy fast, which is surprising to me, because usually something with that level of thickness and greasiness typically takes a bit to absorb, and I'm already like, okay, yeah, it's still shiny, you can see it's still damp, a little tacky, but like, for the most part, it feels like it absorbed a lot of it fast. I'm like, oh, okay. So let's see how long it takes to actually do the thing and sink in the rest of the way and not be tacky, or if it just stays tacky, I will report back. So in typical me fashion, I forgot to come back and actually finish that video, so we're gonna do it now. So, one perk of the fact that I forgot to come back to it that day is that I see that Cetaphil's claims of 72-hour hydration is a bullshit claim, because I put it on again even 24 hours later. Hell, 12 hours later, it's feeling pretty dry. It's feeling pretty dry. So I'm like, I don't know about that. For as soft and smooth as it was at first, now I'm like, it feels rough in spots. My face hadn't even felt rough before I put it on. So what is going on here? What is going on? For as expensive as this product is, I'm very confused. Like, why? Why is it like that? So for that, thank freaking God, I actually did hold off on filming the second portion of this video, because I don't think I would have known that had I filmed it real quick after, as soon as I realized it was just absorbed in. So for me, I would say a hard pass on this one. Like, unless you are going to be religious putting it on like every 12 hours, and at that price point, why? Like, there's so many better products. There's so many. You don't have to settle for this one. Yeah, I know that like every beauty box and everything really tries to push this brand, because I think this brand is desperate to sell products because no one wants to buy this brand. I'm just saying, this is my experience with it. If it's your holy grail, then awesome for you, but my experience I've had with it, no, this ain't it. I'm not impressed. Like, I expected more from it. I was skeptical of the 72-hour claim, but I figured it could at least make it 24. But it couldn't even do that. So I'm like, nah, I'm good. I'm freaking good. So, anyway, them's the breaks. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.